10 grand for one video could blow a lot of people's minds. And then there's people who are paying $100,000 for one video. So what is the separation in business size? A, commitment to marketing. B, because it's like, it's more than dipping a toe into video. That's saying we're all in, you know? What would you say is the difference that you've seen?
The real price is guarantee and confidence.
Yeah.
So when you're dealing with these big clients, when you're dealing with the clients who are, you know, they're dealing with millions of dollars, they are only worried about how much they have to worry about that project and how much they can guarantee the deliverable is going to be good. That's the difference between the $10,000, you know, film student who can make amazing work when the situation is correct versus the $100,000 to $200,000 agency that's like, we'll make it work no matter what.
Yep.
And the work will be pretty damn good no matter what.